Hey y'all, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving, you guys. This is M and J. Welcome back to our channel. We are going to Scottsboro for 2 nights over Thanksgiving break, and let's see what we can find up there.
Supposed to be some nice caves, a couple waterfalls, and a very interesting store to visit.
We'll check them out and see what they have.
Can't wait. See you guys there.
If you are new to the channel, I'm M.
I'm Jay, and we are a Dutch and Japanese couple living in Alabama.
Since we traveled on actual Thanksgiving Day, there weren't a lot of things open. But we did manage to get McDonald's and went to sleep early so we could get to the store right as they opened next day for Black Friday. Ooh, chilly. You ready to do some Black Friday shopping?
Yes. See what kind of things people have lost on their travels.
To unclaimed baggage.
Correct.
Keep saying luggage.
As the name implies, unclaimed baggage sells items that were lost and never reclaimed. Once the airliners have spent 3 to 4 months trying to return the items to the owners and failed, unclaimed baggage buys the items to give them a second life. You can find things like North Face winter coats, Gucci purses, Apple AirPods, Nintendo Switches, jewelry, and every day they receive thousands of new products. They also get higher-end electronics like cameras, MacBooks, and smartphones. Well, we just got done at unclaimed baggage. Sadly, we didn't really find anything that we were looking for. So now it's on to Neversink.
Yes. So we're not gonna do the caving. We will just do a hike and see if we can find the hole. Yeah, it's the trail marker here.
Yep. So this trail and preserve is owned by the SCCI, which is the Southern Cave Conservancy Organization. They buy up these different interesting locations and preserve them. So you won't find a lot of information about them. Figuring out where they actually are is difficult. Usually you won't know until you get a permit, which is required to get onto this land. Once you get the permit, they'll give you directions on how to get here. They'll give you instructions on how to stay safe on these areas. So for this one specifically, there's 2 permits you can get. First permit is a just regular no cave entrance permit, which is the one that we got, which means you can only walk around. You can't actually go into the cave. Second one is the cave entrance permit. And this specifically is a vertical cave entrance. So you can only go in there by grappling in, which we don't have the skills to do, so we're just hiking. So this cave is if I'm not mistaken, 162 feet deep cave. And so in order to get to the top of it, which is what we're doing, we have to climb 162 feet.
Oh, I think we found it.
I think we did. Not too bad.
No.
Just a very steep climb. That is very sun drop, huh?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that is a sinkhole and a half. Ooh. Lookout point.
Oh my gosh. Oh, that's scary.
It's very hard to showcase just how sudden a drop this is. This is Neversink. We made it. It is a, like I said, I believe 160-ish feet deep hole, straight down.
Oh yeah.
The only way to get in there is by rappelling down. So we're gonna stay safe up here. But there's like tiny little waterfalls going in, and it's really impressive. What'd you think?
Pretty cool, pretty scary. Ready to go? Next stop?
Next stop is a waterfall.
Oh, I see it. Yeah, you can hear the waterfall to the right, past the fence here. Does it feel secure?
Let's find our way down here.
Yeah, I don't want to go too far down.
No, I just want to walk through the rock here.
Okay. Come back. On the way to the next waterfall, we made a small detour to grab a late lunch at the Wildflower Cafe in Mentone. We were pleasantly surprised by the cozy atmosphere and delicious food. We then moved on to our next stop, Desoto Falls.
Here we are. This is Desoto water. I guess the waterfall is here, running down.
It is cold. How's it going?
It's going well. It's freezing out here though.
Yeah, I
We took the one day in the year that it might actually be freezing.
agree. I think we found the entrance to Indian Falls. It's a bit of a secret-ish place. There we go, Indian Falls. Let's see. Is this it?
This is it. This is the top of it. This bridge was built by a Boy Scout.
There it is from this angle.
So the Indian Falls was not as impressive as we might have hoped for.
It was a cute
But-
little waterfall.
It's a cute little waterfall, and there's like a little Boy Scout project bridge on top of it.
Yeah.
Now it's time for us to head back to the hotel.
Yes, before it gets dark.
As we were driving back to the hotel, we stumbled upon the cutest Christmas store we had ever seen in Alabama, called Christmas at Eddie's.
What did we find?
Just a random Christmas store on the side of the road.
Looks amazing. Gonna get this one. How many trees did he say?
Over 200.
Over 200 trees in here. Wow.
Wow.
Show me the windmill again.
Before heading back home on our last day, we booked ourselves a guided tour through Cathedral caverns. It is said that this cave has the world's widest entrance to a commercial cave, measuring 25 feet tall and 128 feet wide. It also has a large flowstone waterfall and an improbable stalagmite. Guided tours cost $20 per adult and are about 90 minutes long. Definitely worth a visit if you get the chance.
The limestone in this cave was formed about 400 million years ago during the Mississippian period. There's bats right there. And there's one hanging down right there. Obviously, we're in the tunnel that Jacob dug out, and like I said, we're actually inside of a flowstone formation. And it is translucent, just like an eggshell. Wow.
Wow.
Well, the experts say the average growth is about 1 cubic inch every 100 years, or the size of a marshmallow. And these columns reminded her of columns of churches in Europe. And she said, "Oh my gosh, Jay, this looks like a..." And that's where the name of the cave got changed from Bat Cave to Cathedral Caverns. Now, if you look at these two formations right in front of us, can y'all see the sparkles? Those are gypsum crystals forming on the calcium carbonate. Formation is called improbable because it should not be standing. It's over 25 feet tall. It's only 4 inches in diameter at the base, 7 in the middle, 3 on the top. It's growing straight up off a rock at a 45-degree angle and survived the earthquake.
That was a shark tooth.
200 million years old at least.
Almost made it out. Thank you so much for watching our adventure in Northeast Alabama. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.